This is the Lawnmaster 13-inch lawnmower and 10-inch grass trimmer. They come unassembled in the box. There are two manuals on how to assemble each item. On one side, there are the pieces for the lawnmower, and on the other side of this piece of cardboard are the pieces for the grass trimmer. I'll be starting with the lawnmower. Here's the instruction manual with pictures and written text. The instructions are pretty straightforward. First, I'm going to lower handles into the slots on the lawnmower housing like this. Then I'm assembling the upper handles using the bolts, cable wire, and the locking knobs, providing the plastic bag. I secure the cable with the cable clips. Next, I'm assembling the grass collection bag. There's a bottom piece and a top piece. There are these slots on the side. You line them up and push down until they click into place. Then I put on the handle. It goes in like this. After that, I put in the tongue. The tongue should slide in and click into place. To install the grass collection bag into the lawnmower, I'll lift the rear safety flap and hold it into position with one hand. With the other hand, I place the grass collection bag on the notches under the rear safety flap. The lawnmower has 5 different cutting heights. To adjust it, there's this cutting height adjustment lever that you can push forward or backwards. The box includes 2 24-volt batteries. To install the battery, I open the plastic battery compartment. I align the ribs on the mower with the grooves in the battery pack and slide it in until I hear a click. To remove the battery, there's a release button. I push up on it and then pull out the battery. Here is the charger for the battery. After I plug the charger into the outlet, the red light turns on to indicate that it's plugged in and is ready to begin charging. A flashing green light means it's charging normally. To use the lawnmower, plug in the safety key and push down on this button. While holding onto the button, clamp the orange handle. Then you can release the button. On the side of the grass collection bag, there's an indicator to indicate whether it's full or not. The lawnmower works well and it's very easy to use.